Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka College of Teachers Education, hak ishtarek mentau nailur, kalapan ko Burom yaki Samla Pule ki balawan Sakman, hak jing Pule yak Bachelor of Education ban pencana susu ilade, kum kino hikai hak skol baper hak leng kejela. Hak ni kanti kidan kanyo ngot ki Samla Pule, nak batch arajar khatsan arajar khatnyo, bat nak batch arajar khanreu arajar khatpra. Ki balayo Burom nak jingle bahajung ki hak eksamen baladam. Na padang ki khatnyo ngot ndreu ngot ki dei ki balayo ru ki kerdan baper ki basakmat hak result jongki. Yakini ki Samla lapun ko Burom dong menteri ketnat Pule putih ke sarkar jela uba lakmen remboi ubalalong kongsan hak ni jelang. Hakani juga sengi lapun ko Burom ru yo Profesor Sishir Kanti Batacharji ubadai uno hikai ubala hikai hakani ka college nadu kisnam Pynkup balasdang yakani ka college baat jing penteben yakino hikai uba lakmen remboi abakren hakani ka sengi ko mukongsan ulayero yakani ka college kabalala ban penmi ya bon ngot kino hikai ki bala syakri haki skol baper jongani ka jela ulapun paru baka kamram jong kino hikai kalong ban tresistam katba kidang don hakajing sya penteben yalade kenang bakin lapat ban sandor ya kejing bat ya kalawai bapernai jong ki kena Pule.
As a person who are in the government, who have the people and the entrust upon me to oversee the education department. When I meet you, the in-service teachers, the pre-service teachers, I want to convey one message, which is, I feel very bad. Most of you, the pre-service teachers, you aspire to be in government service. But one question I want to ask, why the government school is treated as a second-class school? Everybody rushed to Loreto, to Saint Edmund, to Saint Mary's. Why not to Jail Road, government school, government high school? Why not to government girls? Why not to government boys? This is not only in Shillong, everywhere. 90% of the teachers in the government school are trained teachers. That means they could give the quality education to the student. But the question is why the parent don't have the faith in the teaching ability of the government school. I think each one of us, we have to understand this. We have to question ourselves. Be in the government, be in the field, why? Until and unless we could improve the government school, which have a widespread across the state, it's very difficult to give a quality education. So I request you that pre-service, who have the aspiration to be in teaching line, if the opportunity comes to you to teach in government school, kindly don't let anybody treat you, because once the people look at the government school as the second class school, that means you are the second class teachers. Pardon me. So take this as a challenge to improve the government school, to improve not only other education educational school in the state. You have a big responsibility. Sometimes when I ask this question in the private conversation, they told me because the foundation is not good. When they come to secondary school, because the primary school is not good, then they didn't have that strong foundation. I didn't buy that theory. If we are coming from every nook and corner of the state, many from rural areas, especially now we have seen in these years, class 10 result, SSLC election result, the top 20 has a blend of students coming from Walang, coming from Amlarem, coming from rural areas of Garo Hills, coming from West Kals Hills. There is no dearth of talent. It is upon you as who have taken this aspiration to give light to those children in the far corner of the state, how to give them a best education,